Good morning to everyone. I am Ayush and I am going to quickly take you through the universal gates and making all the gates by use of universal gates. So we will introduce you to the logic gates. The logic gates are classified into two categories. There are the basic logic gates which are AND, OR and NOT, and the derived logic gates are universal gates which are NAND and NOR. Then there are the calculative or executive complex logic gates which are XOR and XNOR. The universal gates. By the help of universal gates, we will implement all the logic gates, and that will help us to minimize the cost and to implement logic by using fewer gates. So before beginning, I will give you a brief description of each and every logic gates in a very quick manner. So here are two sequence, two literals, A and B are two literals, and here are the values. The A plus B, it is the symbol of OR. This is the OR gate. So OR gate is going to give anywhere the input is high, and it will give low when the both inputs are low. Then F equal to A into B. This expression is for the AND gate. The AND gate is like this. And the expression is A dot B. The nature of AND gate is that it is going to give the output high if both the inputs are high and rest cases are 0. Then here is the negation of A. It is known as the NOT gate of A. It will give A complement, and here is the NOT gate of B. So any NOT gate has two possible values, that is 0 and 1. So it is going to complement the value. 0 is complemented to 1 and 1 is complemented to 0. Same way for B also, it is also complemented. Now here is A dot B whole complement. This is the NAND gate. Okay. So the NAND gate looks like this. The A and B are input to it, and the expression results into A into B whole complement. It is going to give the complemented value of the AND gate. Since the AND gate is giving the output high when both the inputs are high, but it is the reverse case. So all the cases where AND was 0, it will be 1, and it will be 0 when the AND was high. This is the NOR gate. The NOR gate is like this. A plus B whole complement, and the inputs are A and B. It is going to complement all the values of OR. So the OR gate was giving 0 when both of its inputs were 0. So it is going to give 1 when both the inputs are 0, and it is going to give 0 in all cases when the input is high. Okay. Now we are moving next. Now we can see that here are two values. We are going to fill the tables quickly. So A complement, so whole column values are going to be complemented here. It will be 1 1 0 0. Then same for the B, whole values are complemented here. It will be 1 0 1 0. Now A complement into B. A complement and B. 1 and 0 is 0. 1 and 1 is 1. 0 and 0 is 0. And 1 and 0 is again 0. Okay. Now here is the complement of B and A. And operation between A and B complement. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 1 is again 0. 1 into 1 is 1. And 1 into 0 is 0. Okay. And now these two terms, the OR operation is done. And then we get the XOR gate. So 0 or 0 is 0, 1 or 0 is 1, 1 or 0 is 1, 0 and 0 is 1. 0 and 0 or 0 is 0. Okay. Now I am going to make the XOR gate. So the XOR gate is like this. There are two gates, two AND gates and one OR gate. Okay. First we are taking A. We will send 1 and the complement is sent here. Then here the B sent, and here it is sent. Okay. So this gate is receiving input and it is going to give output A and B complement, and this AND gate is going to get the input from B and A complement. So it will be A complement and B, and then it is going to give the OR. We are getting A B complement plus A complement B. Okay, and then we are going to solve for the XNOR. The XNOR is going to give AB. So AB is A and B. So the result of A and B was 0 0 0 1, and then it is A complement times B complement. One thing I want to bring to your notice, that A complement and B complement is not equal to AB whole complement. Okay, so we are going to put OR operation and A complement. It is 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0, and then AND operation between B complement. B complement is 1 0 1 0, and here 1 and 1, it is going to give 1 0 0 and 1. So this is the value of XNOR, and if we add a NOT gate here, so we are obtaining the XNOR, and the XNOR gate will be denoted like this, A and B, and the XNOR is denoted by this, while the XOR is further simplified and shown to you like this, A and B. It will give us A XOR B. Okay. Now we are going to make all the basic gates by the help of NOR universal gate. So we can make NOT, OR, AND, XOR, XNOR by the help of NOR universal gate. So let's begin. We will make the NOR as NOT. We will make a NOR gate, and then we are going to give A as input and another A as input. So it will be A plus A whole bar, that results to A bar. Then we are going to make NOR as OR. NOR as OR. For demonstrating the OR operation, we will require two literals A and B, and then they are passed to a NOR gate. So we get A plus B total complement, and then we are sending it again to another NOR gate. So we get A plus B complement, another complement. This one is going to work as a NOT gate, okay, as we have seen in the first case. So we are getting A plus B. Then third is the AND gate. So NOR as AND. A is given to one NOR gate like this. So we get A complement, we get B. B is sent to another NOR gate, we get B complement. And now these two output is made the input of the third NOR gate. So we get A bar plus B bar whole bar. Now we will apply this complement. So A double bar plus bar and B double bar. That is resulting to A into B. Okay. Now we are going to see NOR as XOR. NOR as XOR. For seeing the NOR as XOR, we will take two literals A and B, and they are given to one XOR to one NOR gate. So we get A plus B complement total here. Now we will take A input and we will make this like this. So we are getting A complement here. Now same for the B, do it like this. It is B complement. Now these two are sent to here, another the third NOR gate. So we are going to get AB, as we can see here. Okay. Now these two is sent here. So we are getting AB plus A plus B whole complement, total complement. Now we will solve it. So it will become AB complement plus complement A plus B double complement. It becomes A complement plus B complement into A plus B. Now we will solve it to get A into A complement plus A into B complement plus B into A complement plus B into B complement. Now A and A complement, it is going to give us 0, and B and B complement is going to give us 0. So we are going to obtain A into B complement plus B complement. We are going to get B into A complement. This is the NOR as XOR. Now we are going to make NOR gate as XNOR. For this, we are going to take two literals A and B. Now we send two inputs to a NOR gate. So here is A plus B whole complement. Now this is given to input as to one NOR gate. It will become A plus B whole complement like this, and then to this. This will be B plus A plus B complement whole complement. Now we are going to send it to another NOR gate. It will give us A plus B complement whole complement plus B plus A plus B complement whole complement total complement. Now we are going to solve it. Okay? So I want you to visualize this one, the second level bar. This is the first level, second level, and third level. We are going to solve it from the second level. Okay? So keep it like this. It becomes A complement plus complement, A plus B double complement plus B complement plus complement, A plus B double complement like this. Now it will become A complement into A plus B plus B complement into A plus B, and this bar we put here. Okay. Now I am going to solve it from here. Kindly see it. Okay. A into A complement. Write it A into A complement plus A complement into B plus B complement into A plus B into B complement. Now we are going to apply this one. So we are going to be left with A complement into B plus B complement into A. Now we are going to simplify it. So it becomes A double bar dot bar B bar. B plus becomes like this, B double complement into A complement. Now it is going to solve up to A plus B complement into B plus A complement. Now we are going to multiply it to obtain AB plus A into A complement plus B into B complement plus A complement into B. Now these two terms result into 0 because we are considering this again. We are going to obtain AB plus A complement into B complement. Okay, that's the expression for XNOR. We are going to make all the gates by the help of NAND universal gate. We are going to start with the NOT gate. Okay, so first is NAND as NOT. For this we are going to pass A to the NAND gates to get A into A whole complement. So we get A complement. Okay, then we are going to make the OR by NAND gate. So we are going to take A and we are going to give it to one AND gate, and then we are going to send the another NAND gate, and we will require the third NAND gate. So we are going to get A complement. This one is going to give A complement, this one B complement, A complement into B complement, total complement. It is going to give A double complement dot complement B double complement. It is going to give A plus B. Then third is NAND as AND. So we are going to pass A and B to the NAND gate. It is going to give A and B whole complement, and again we are going to send it to another NAND gate. So it is going to give A and B whole complement again. It is going to give AB. Now we are going to implement XOR and XNOR. We are going to give NAND as XOR. So for XOR gate we are going to take A and B. These both are passed to the NAND gate to obtain A and B whole complement. Now it is sent to another NAND gate to get A and A into B whole complement, total complement, and again it is sent to another NAND gate to get B and A B whole complement, total complement, and again it is sent to the third NAND gate. So we are going to get A into AB complement plus B into AB complement, total complement. Now we are going to solve it. It is going to give A complement plus AB B complement into AB. Now we are going to solve it. It will give us A into AB total complement plus B into AB total complement. So it is going to solve as A complement plus B complement plus B into A complement plus B complement. Now we will solve it as A into A complement plus AB complement plus B into A complement plus B into B complement. Now A into A complement equal to 0 and B into B complement also equal to 0. So we are going to get AB complement plus A complement into B. Okay. X now using NAND gate. A and B is sent to the NAND gate to obtain A into B whole complement. Here A and A is going to give A complement, and here B and B is going to give B complement. Now it is sent to NAND gate to get A plus B. Now it is going to give us the third NAND gate. We are going to get these two, then we are going to get A plus B into A into B double complement, going to give us now we are going to solve it. We will get AB plus A complement into B complement. That is the expression for X naught. Thank you.